How to fix missing or insufficient permission in your Firebase. So it usually means updating your security rules so your app is allowed to read or write data. So of course, you're going to go ahead to your console and then just go ahead to your database. In your database, go ahead to the real-time database, and then it should just lead you to this kind of tab. And then once you're there, over here we have chosen a test one. We're going to go ahead to our rules. So in rules, you can check if your rules are too restrictive. So let's say your rules is something like this: allow read, call, write if false. So for testing, you can temporarily set it like this. On the second one, allow read, write if true. So exactly like this. Now, if you do it like that, you can publish to confirm the issue is rule related. And after that, you can replace it with a safer rule, which is something like this: allow read, call, write if request.auth equals null. So something like that. So only logged in users can access your data. So you gotta make sure your app is actually authenticating users before making requests. Since Firebase does block access when requests.auth is null, you can also verify that your app is using the correct collection document paths and that your rule matches your structure. So double check that you're editing in the correct rules, so Firestore versus real-time DB, then test again. In most cases, fixing authentication and adjusting the rules could just properly resolve the error. But those are a few options you can put in mind if you are having this error in your Firebase. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.